is your name?
My name is Alex.
Alex, it's nice to meet you. Okay, are you ready for your speaking test?
Okay.
Okay, let's start. How are you today?
I'm happy.
I'm happy that you're here. Are you hungry? Say, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. Okay, so I'm going to tell you about the things you want to do during your free time, like watching TV, reading books, and anything. Okay, do you like watching TV?
I love to do.
Okay, which program do you usually watch?
I usually watch cartoon.
Cartoons. Okay, do you watch any sports program like football, basketball? Just football. Okay. Now, how often do you read books?
I usually read
How often? Every day? All the time? Like once a week? How often?
once a week.
Once a week. Okay. Now we have the different books. You can read paper books or electronic books or online books. Which one do you prefer? Online books or paper books? Why?
Because it's so
Is it easier to use than electronic books? It is. Okay. Now what kind of school trips do you go on with your school?
I go on fun with my school.
Do you enjoy school trips? Okay, of course. Now do you come from a big or small family?
I come from a small family.
How many people are there in your family?
There are few people.
Just your mom, your dad, and you. Am I right? Okay, I see. Okay, now for this part, I have here 4 different programs. Now, imagine you and your family is going to spend this weekend watching TV together. Okay, now I want you to choose the most suitable TV program for your family and explain your choice. Which one do you want? This one. Why? Why is it suitable for you and for your family?
My family play football and in summer, some free time, they play football with me.
Okay. I see. So it means that your mom and your dad play football. Am I right? Okay. And you love football. I can see it. Because you're wearing football uniform. Am I right? Okay. I see. Okay. Now in this part, we're going to talk about your ideal school. Okay? Or the school you really want to have. Or you want to build someday. Okay. What is your ideal school?
My family school in the big city is so some trees and have a playground
Okay.
and some students. The grass is flat, it's above and beneath from here.
Okay. How many rooms are there in your ideal school?
There are 26 rooms.
How about facilities or furnitures? What furnitures do you want it to have? Computer, table, chairs.
Computer, room, chair, table, box,
Laboratories. Science lab.
science,
Mhm. What else? Do you want it to have like computer rooms? Of course. Do you want it to have a cafeteria? Of course, you want a cafeteria or canteen inside the class. Do you want it to have a coffee shop? No. Do you want it to have like toy store? No. Okay, I see. So what students have to do or don't need to do in your school?
students have to do work
Mhm.
and eat and wear uniform and wear the shoes.
Okay.
And students have to student
Do you want them to stay at school until midnight? You sure? Or you don't need to be at school after 4 p.m. Because they need to be at home by 4 or by 5 p.m. Okay. Okay, so what subjects do you study?
I study PE,
Mm-hmm.
math,
Mm-hmm.
science, music,
Okay.
and the drawing.
Drawing arts. Okay. Do you want the students to study international subject, or do you want them